yourself against the possibility of somebody coming with an amazing medical product that is not being certified and killing everybody. So why we are not doing that on the internet? Why we are not doing that on companies collecting our data, making us a product? So this is the new trend. So first is increasing the human awareness of the issue. Second, putting some regulations because, like in Switzerland, Swiss people vote all the time because we are aware of the problems. Therefore, if you let people to vote legislation, laws, that protects individuals, those laws will then be executed and will protect them. And we are in that process. And then you don't really need a kind of meta or centralized organization doing that. Let's do that at national level, like is happening already in Europe with the GDPR and many other processes, and they are going into that direction. Every single country should regulate the potential damage of those algorithms to their citizens.
Okay, and so all these new technologies, how can we use them for a more peaceful environment?
We are in a very unique moment. Some people, it's a part of the book that we covered that where we're saying that we are at the same time of the Renaissance, where mathematics, art, philosophy merged together. And that was an amazing time for the humans. Leonardo da Vinci, we are celebrating actually 500 years of that, right? So that was a time where we realized that one mind, one person, one experience cannot be the integrating solution. You need to bring multi-stakeholders all together. So we have the same effect now by merging technology. For first time, AI, blockchain, data, which is the oil of the digital economy. AI cannot function if it doesn't have data. If the data is bad, if the data is fake news make fake AI. Imagine what will be training an AI algorithm with fake data. So you have to act in every single aspect of the ecosystem, not only on one. It's not only acting on AI. You have to act on data. You have to decentralize data in blockchain so people cannot control data, because if they control data, they will manipulate data. So decentralization is essential. And then you need to bring all that into a convergence process. That creates a quantum leap that will enhance us and will bring us to the next generation in a very positive way, because we will not let any of those industries to control ourselves, right? And this is as I keep saying, a writer or a musicians cannot play without an instrument. You need an instrument. You need a computer to write your book. You need a guitar to play. Without a guitar, you could explain for days and days how good you are playing a guitar, but you will never be able to show. Computers are the instrument. It is an instrument that enhances our emotions or human uniqueness, but does not replace. I mean, you won't see a guitar playing alone, as you will not see artificial intelligence algorithms doing decision